Hmm. However, the article do not bind the companies to the non-members. Non-members, who are the non-members I'm talking about? The who do not, maybe the shareholders, right? And do not, and do they bind the members in any other capacity, right? Okay. So company will not be binding to the non-members, nor they do bind any of the members in any other capacity. Okay. Just give it a simple reading of this again. I think that would be okay to have a clarity on this. Now we'll just look after what are the treasury books written and books. Abhi jo bhi company, whatever they are doing, they have to make their treasury book, means the books that they have to make in accordance or in compliance with the um, requirement कि आप जो भी books मतलब whatever the operation you are doing, you have to account that, right? So my financial statement, right? Financial statement are what? These are your treasury books, right? ठीक है? Is that clear? I'm clear on this.
Yes, sir.
And then record whatever you're doing is you're keeping the record of it, right? Record for how many years? It could possible 5 years, 6 years. You have to keep. Return is basically yearly profit. Your yearly profit is now being submitted to who? The one who is in charge of looking forward to the profit and all those things, right? So return क्या होता है? Return एक basically जो भी return tax return होते हैं ना, they are talking about that. Now we'll learn about कि what are the register that we have to keep and what is the content of it, right? So what is an for there isn't registered for the members, right? In this, that will include the name, address, date, become cheesed, means when they become or when someone has cheesed. So it will include all of the member who has been part of the company and who has been gone away from the company, right? A number of the share and the class of shares and amount paid up. Any member of the company can inspect the register without charge, right? कोई भी member of the company can inspect the register without charge. A member of the public has a right ऑफ इंस्पेक्शन बट मस्ट पे जो भी मेंबर पब्लिक से अगर कोई दे रहा है तो इंस्पेक्शन कर सकता है बट पे करना पड़ेगा पर कोई भी मेंबर है तो ही कैन इंस्पेक्ट विदाउट चार्ज राइट director and company secretary. This it does mean that name, present, formal, address, rate of B, occupation, nationality, other directorship within the last 5 years. अगर कोई था तो the register does not include the shadow director, someone who is not a director but exercise control over the directors, right? Shadow directors does mean कि ऐसे director जो कि director नहीं हो but exercise करता हो control over the director, right? Charges. The register contain detail of the fixed and floating charges created over the company. अभी ये चीज याद रखना कि जो पार्टनरशिप होते हैं ना उस पर बस एक फ्लोटिंग चार्ज होता है, ठीक है? एलएलपी पे और कंपनी पे फिक्स एंड फ्लोटिंग बोथ चार्जेस होते हैं, ठीक है? आई एम क्लियर ऑन दिस. हेलो, आई एम क्लियर ऑन
Yes, sir.
दिस. The company must also keep the copies of every instrument creating a charge at it registered of it or some other places of which the register has been notified. Person with a significant control. A person with significant control is anyone in the company who owns more than 25% of the company shares. ठीक है, ये चीज याद रखना. You will learn this in your SBR AAA paper as well. Owns more than 25% of the company voting right, has a right to appoint or remove a majority of the board of the directors, has significant influence of the control over the company, has a significant influence of the control over the trust or the firm, right? If we talk about other documentation, in that case, we will just minutes of general meeting. This will incorporate the minutes of the general meeting. What are the resolution in the meeting? Record must be key for the minimum period of the 10 years. Okay. Okay. Okay,
Okay, sir.
brother. Are you there? Are you clear on this? All the things that we're discussing. Is there any doubt from this chapter till
Yes.
now?
No.
The register must normally be kept at the company's registration of it, but and must be available for the public inspection by the member free of the charge or any person other pay for the fee from the public. Annual confirmation statement. The annual confirmation statement must be filed with the company's house or registrar of companies, right? Basically, these are the two bodies who look after companies' maintenance, stating that the company has provided all of the information required to provide within the previous 12 months, and it must be provided within the 12 months of expiry of the previous 12 months, right? 12 महीने होने के बाद after 12 months, you have a 14 days period in which you have to submit all this. For new companies, the first statement should provide 12 months from the date of the incorporation of the company. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Accounting record. The company must keep accounting record containing sufficient information to show and explain the company's transaction and its financial position. At any time, it should be possible to disclose with reasonable accuracy of the company's financial position at interval of the not more than 6 months, right? They might have to disclose. Disclose means to show that, to inform that, to acknowledge that, and to make it transparent, right? For the director to ensure that any account that need to be prepared comply with the Companies Act 2006 and International Accounting Standard. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Annual financial statement. Companies are required to produce annual financial statement, including balance sheet statement of the financial positions, profit and loss statement of comprehensive income, showing to and fair view. Director report is stating the amount of any dividend and likely future development. Right. The annual financial statement must be provided and signed on the behalf of the board of the director and the company filed with the registrar. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Hickman versus Kent or Roman Mars Seaport Association. So this is the one thing we will be learning now. What are the fact? The company's article include a clause to the effect that all dispute between the companies and its member were to be referred to the arbitrations. A member brought court proceeding against the company. The proceeding was stopped, right? The company could enforce the arbitration clause against the member. The company article included a clause to effect that all dispute between the company and its member were to be referred to the arbitration. दो चीज होती है ना, arbitration and court. If you remember, member brought court proceeding against the company. जो proceeding थी वो stopped हो गई थी क्योंकि company could enforce the arbitration clause against its member. Is it okay? And these are the recap. Like
Yes, sir.
LLPs would have at least two designated members. Public company must at least half of the 50,000, have 50,000 capital, two directors, one secretary, file account within 6 months. Public company must director, file account within 6 months. Audit not required if turnover below 6.5 million. Not possible to amend MOB. Registration of the company fees to 20 rupees. That is in the GBP. Okay. Directed residential address is hidden from the journal register. Resolution in meeting register must be kept for 10 years. Accounting record must be kept for public company के लिए 6 years है. And yes, all these things need to be learned. अभी जैसे यहाँ पे ये चीज़ आ रही है, यहाँ पे 6 months आ रहे हैं, डॉक्टर के बारे में आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है. देखो ना, Samvit, these are the things that you need to learn. Okay? ठीक है? Would it be
So
okay
this
to
is
learn
not
all those?
there.
Yes,
This is not
please.
there in the. This is only there in the recap, right? It's not there in the
Which one? Which one? Which one?
this accounting record, or is there in the this one?
Registration of the accounting, or which point you're talking about, brother? Which point you're talking about, please?
In the recap, like the recap points explained in the main points.
No, these are all the things which are there. Like this is from
Okay.
your एजेंट एंड देखो ना, वो प्रीवियस चैप्टर है ना, वहां से भी कुछ रिकैप्स आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज
Okay.
देयर.
So you have to go
ये
through.
चीज
You have
हमने.
to learn
हाँ.
the recaps also.
रिकैप देखो क्या है, बात बात यहाँ पे ये है कि ये चीज तो ऊपर ही बताई रखी है अपन को. ठीक है, ये भी चीज बता रखी है. ये वाला पोर्शन हमें लास्ट चैप्टर में बताया था. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
दिस वॉज इन द लास्ट चैप्टर. दिस वॉज इन दिस चैप्टर ओनली. हो सकता है कि आपको पब्लिक कंपनी, दिस इज समथिंग न्यू, ये आपको यहाँ पे बता दियो समराइज करके. बट अदर थिंग्स, ऑल दो थिंग्स आर देयर. रजिस्ट्रेशन की ये बताया गया था. सारी चीज बताइए मेरे हिसाब से, जितना मैंने पढ़ा है इतना अभी तक, ये लास्ट चैप्टर में था. और ये जो था वो थोड़ा समराइज करके यहाँ पे दे दिया. ठीक है, पर आपको 6 years 3 years दे रखा है यहाँ पे. अदरवाइज यहाँ पे एक और चीज आपको ये बताई थी कि जैसे कि रेजोल्यूशन मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड मस्ट बी कीप 10 years. और वो वहाँ पे समराइज करके बता दी. तो ओवरऑल अगर आप रिकैप को भी देख रहे हो तो कुछ ना कुछ चीज याद मिल जाएगी आपको. और इट वुड बी बेटर इफ यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द रिकैप. कुछ टाइम ज़्यादा थोड़ी लग रहा है उसमें. ठीक है, हेलो,
Okay, sir.
डन. देखो, आई मेड यू फ्री
Yes, sir.
बिफोर द टाइम एंड्स. तो अभी हमारे कॉन्फ्रेंस चैप्टर्स हो गए. वी आर डन विद ए बी सी ई एफ हो गया, जी हो गया. दिस आर द 4 chapters विच आर लेफ्ट. ओके, ठीक है. अपना
Okay,
ट्राई
sir.
रहेगा कि बिफोर बिफोर द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ वी विल ट्राई टू कवर ऑन दिस 4 chapters. ओके, फिर उसके बाद कंप्लीट दिस
Okay, sir.
पोर्शन एंड देन डू द प्रैक्टिस टिल द नेक्स्ट वीक. तो अपना 4th 5th जुलाई तक अपना सारा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
आर वी डूइंग इट गुड? आर वी कवरिंग एवरीथिंग, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Is there anything that you would like to ask, or we can proceed ending with the chapter? I know that you are about to go something, but if there is any doubt, you can talk to me. It's still, because it's still we have a time, so you can just tell me if there is any doubt.
No, sir. No doubt.
All right. चलो ठीक है फिर. बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ गुड टाइम. आई विल पुट द
Thank you, sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग टुडे. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड करता हूँ, फिर यू विल बी हैविंग एक्सेस टू दिस ऑल.
Okay, sir.
बाय, हैव अ गुड टाइम, बाय, टेक केयर.
Thank you, sir.
ओके.